Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this third lecture, we are going to start our second chapter, that is cell division. Now the SLOs, which are the student learning outcomes, that means after studying this chapter, students are able to learn about the definitions of cell division, mitosis, meiosis, differences between mitosis and meiosis, these are the types of cell division, and heredity. Now cell division. What is cell division? What do you think is cell division? Cell division is a process by which cell divides into daughter cells. Now in cell division, there is a phase. Before cell division, there is a phase which is called interphase. And what is interphase? Before the start of the cell division, parent cell passes through this phase, and during interphase, chromosomes in the nucleus are duplicated. That means they are double in size. Copies of all chromosomes are developed. Now you can see this figure of interphase in which chromosomes are double in their size. Now very important points of nucleus which we study in this chapter. Nucleus controls the whole cell activity, like the brain in our body. Chromosomes, these are the structures found in the nucleus of the cell. They consist of DNA. DNA word means deoxyribonucleic acid, and proteins. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, contain complete instructions for developing new cell or organism. DNA is also called as hereditary material. For one kind or species of organism, the number of chromosomes in the cell remains the same. That is, in human body, the number of chromosomes are different. For example, in cat or dogs, the number of chromosomes are different. When individuals form gametes, what are gametes? Gametes are sex cells, sperms or eggs in animals, and spores in plants. The number of chromosomes is reduced to half in the gametes or spores. Now we discuss mitosis. Mitosis is the first type of cell division, in which it is a process in which the parent cell divides into two daughter cells with the same number of chromosomes as in the parent cell. And these are also called the cell division in somatic body cells. This type of cell division occurs in the body cells. You can see this figure. Next type of cell division which we discuss in this video is meiosis. Meiosis is a type of cell division by which the nucleus of the cell divides twice to form four daughter cells in such a way that the number of chromosomes in each daughter cell is reduced to half as compared to that in the parent cells. Now you can see the figure in which there are two types of divisions, meiotic 1 division and meiotic 2 division. Now there is a difference between the two, and we have to discuss or differentiate between two types of division, cell division, that is mitosis and meiosis. Now the first difference, mitosis, two daughter cells are formed, and in meiosis, 4 daughter cells are formed. Second point, chromosomes number remains the same in the parent cell, and in meiosis the chromosome number is reduced to half as in parent cell, because this mitosis occurs in body cells, whereas meiosis occurs in sex cells. That is why the chromosome number is reduced to half. Now mitosis is completed in a single phase, but meiosis is completed in two phases, that is meiotic 1 division and meiotic 2 division. You can see the figure. I hope you understand these points. Now heredity. What is heredity? What do you think is heredity? The transmission of characters from parents to their offspring is called heredity. Now these are the structures, these are the chromosomes, which are the hereditary structures which are present in the nucleus, and they are responsible for transmitting of characters from parents to their offsprings. Now conclusion. In this chapter, in this video, we have discussed cell division, its definition, two types of cell division, mitosis, meiosis, the difference between the two, and heredity. Now it's time for home assignments. Now my first question is, define cell division. Now for your home assignment, you have to take out page number 31 and you just see some online learning websites at the end of this chapter, cell division, and you just find it out other definitions of cell division. Now second question is, write a note on mitosis, which is the most simplest method of cell division which occurs in body cells. Third question is, what is heredity? You have to define only what is heredity. I think you just think about these questions. Stay safe, stay at home. Thank you very much. Until then, Allah Hafiz.